Well, check this out. It's been a long winter here on the coast. We had snow on the ground in the front yard still recently, but now it's all melted and things are drying out, so I probably can get this garden cleaned up. This is the stuff left over from my winter part of the garden. It was doing pretty well until it snowed. I had some carrots in there, you can see a few left in there. And kale is an amazing plant. It can freeze so hard for so long, and look at this. Sun comes out and it starts growing again. It's beautiful stuff, and you can grow all different kinds, and it actually is great in salads. We eat this stuff all the time. Good for you, nice hearty green vegetable. So add some kale to your garden this spring. It usually grows really well here on the coast. And there's all different kinds. This is like a green curly kind. This is the kind you usually see for garnish. And over here, this is my favorite. This is like that dinosaur kale kind. It's a nice thinner leaf, and I like the taste on it. It's coming back. This is like the, I don't know, red Russian or something curly kale. You see some frost damage on the older leaves, but the newer ones will come back. And then, or maybe this is the red Russian kale. These ones all planted themselves last year, and they did really well. I can pull them all out and start over, grow some more. Okay, thanks for watching. Plant some kale this year and enjoy this spring weather. It's beautiful out here on the coast now. It's finally here. Time to plant some food. Don't forget to subscribe.